who should introduce the head of school and CEO, I suppose I was the logical choice, since he is my dad. Most of you probably don't know that my dad's father was the head of his school for the first 7 years of his education. Apparently my dad enjoyed it so much that he decided he had to do the same for his kids and be the head of school for all of my years of education up until this point. Father, what were you thinking? Just kidding. It actually wasn't bad at all. In fact, it worked out pretty well. Not only because I never got sent to your office, but also just knowing that you were nearby and helping to shape things at my school was always comforting. Your mix of being professional most of the time and funny at other times always made things great. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to introduce my dad and our head of school and CEO, Avi Hilda.
Thank you, Ariella.